Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Reddit. So first of all, go back to your screen, go ahead to your app, so Google Play, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead into searching for Reddit and double check if the app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now you have two options. If you are using Android, just go back to your screen, go ahead to the Reddit, click on your profile icon at the top right, and from here just you're gonna see like half moon kind of a thing. Just go ahead and click on it, and it's gonna switch to a dark mode from within the app only. All right. Or if you're using like me, if you're using iPhone, just go back to your screen, go ahead to the main settings, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead to the wallpaper. Right, sorry, I'm not gonna go ahead to the wallpaper. I'm gonna just go ahead to the display and brightness, and from here you're gonna see two options for appearance. You're gonna just go ahead and switch to a dark mode, and all the apps that have the dark mode or doesn't have the dark mode will be switched to the dark mode. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.